With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, a simple pendulum of length 1 meter is attached to the ceiling of an elevator which is accelerating upward at the rate of 1 meter per second square. Its frequency is approximately. Hence we can say here, suppose this is an elevator and here attached to this elevator from the ceiling is a simple pendulum. So here we can say when this simple pendulum, here this, let's say, lift is accelerating upwards at an acceleration given in the question as 1 meter per second square. Hence the net force acting here on this, let's say, bob of this simple pendulum will be its weight mg, and we can say here the pseudo force ma. So the net g effective here in this case will be equal to our g plus a. Hence we can say here for this simple pendulum the time period we have by the formula as t is equal to 2 pi under root of, we can say here, L divided by g effective. So we can say here the time period comes out to be 2 pi root under L. Length here is equal to 1 meter and effective value of g here is equal to g plus a. Now substituting the values we have here as 2 pi divided by square root of g here is 10 and a here is 1. So we can say this comes out here as 2 pi divided by root under 11. Hence we can say here on simplification this comes out here as 2 into 3.14 is 6.28 divided by root under 11. So the time period comes out to be nearly 1.89 seconds. Hence frequency, we can say here frequency, approximate frequency will be equal to 1 upon t. Hence we can say here this comes out here as 1 divided by, we have here as 1.89. So here 1 by 1.89 comes out to be our 0.529 hertz. Hence we can say amongst the four options the approximate frequency here is 0.5 hertz, which here is option number 4. Hence we can say 4 is the correct answer. So we have 4 as our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.